Hi, so this is now our case profile. So continuation ni with filing of complaint. So once you already have your forms printed, pag i-close nimo tong window, you will see now your case profile. Okay. So inside our case profile, you will have your docket number, information lang, basic information about the case. Date of filing, kano sa siya na file, period of hearing. So this is automatically 15 days. And then sugod ni sa pagkuha na sa first hearing 15 days na siya. Complainant or complainants, respondent or respondents. Okay, statement of facts, relief sought. So right side is the case history. Ayan, so complaint is created or filed karon June 1, 2024. So every action, every transition of the case status will be recorded here sa case history. For example, this is from the mediation table pa, no? First stage is the mediation, basig madala rag mediation. So complaint pa ni siya. But for example, kung dili gyud siya makaya sa mediation and then it will be forwarded sa conciliation, then in our case history, this will be recorded below. Okay, the orange color to siya. So at the top you will see the table, which is the mediation, and then generate forms. We can click it here, and then same gihapon katong ganiha, natay mga forms dire. Okay, so yan, natay forms, notice of hearing, kung kanus ang mag-hearing. Okay, and also if you notice, ang ganiha pag click nako sa notice of hearing, automatic siya ni adto sa katong paper. But now this time gipangayuan ko og date of hearing. So why is this happening or appearing? Now kani man gud siya na instance is, for example, wala siya na settle sa first hearing and then mag-hearing na pod. That's why naatay kuan diri manually input nga date of hearing. So in our case, last video, it was on June 3, but unfortunately, wala siya masettle. So, mag-hearing na po ta on Wednesday. So, yan. Same time, 8:30 a.m. Set. Don't forget to click set. Okay? Click yun nimo ang set. And then, the venue is by default sa Barangay Hall. But kung naamoy other venues, then you can put it here. So, you just click proceed. Ayan. So, automatic pa rin siya. Yan, ika-5th. Pizza sa June, alas 8:30. Okay? Okay. So, that is our generate form. And then, change status. For example, kung dili siya masettle sa mediation and gusto ipa-conciliation na lang, you just click change status. And in here, we have different status na pwede nato ma-select. So, for example, kung na-withdraw siya or na-transfer ba sa conciliation or sa arbitration or wala gid siya ma-settle or na-settle na largo from mediation or na-dismiss. Okay? So, for example, in this case, moari ta sa conciliation. So, once i-click na ko ang proceed, yan, automatic conciliation na siya. And also, if you notice, like I said earlier, makita nimo ang case history here, automatically updated, na transfer siya sa conciliation or na-refer siya sa conciliation by June 1 gihapon. Okay? So, this is another video for the conciliation. That's it for the case profile. See you on the next video.